I would say when you're looking at credit card offers, look at what they're offering you. Don't just apply for a credit card all willy nilly. You want to apply for a credit card that gives you something, right? A credit card that has a 0% interest rate for the first few months. That way, if you get 0% and you swipe the card, you got free money as
Mm,
long as you pay it back before that 0% introductory period is over. You don't pay any interest, and most
mm,
people they frown upon that. They frown upon the idea of paying interest to credit card companies. I'm not, I don't really care so much about interest
yeah.
because interest doesn't matter when you're really using it to make more money. So
Mm,
I think sometimes we have a hard time with adopting a new mindset around credit because as a consumer, I understand why interest is not, a good deal. But as a business owner, it's completely different.
they got a little bit of business credit going, and they're starting to get offers in the mail, things of that sort, but they're still kind of fresh.
Yeah.
What would be the first business credit card you would suggest for them to apply for?
Well, that's a good question. I would say go for a business credit card that doesn't have an annual fee. Um, could give you 0% interest for the first like 18 months or so,
Mm,
and are with reputable banks that have some decent interest. I had one student the other day that was complaining about a card that she has with Capital on Tap.
mm.
And Capital on Tap is it's a good credit card, don't get me wrong, but it has really, really high interest. I think it's about I want to say about 39% interest right now.
Wow.
It's really high.
Real quick, I know you got questions, whether it was from this video or the video before this one, or if you just have credit questions in general that you want to get answered, whether it's pertaining to personal credit, business credit, home ownership, rental property ownership, auto loans, credit cards, whatever you got questions about, I can get those answered for you guys, okay? And not only that, but you get early access to videos just like this one. We also do member-only lives and so much more. But if you want more information, just go ahead and click on the link down in the description below, and let's go and get back to the video.
I would say when you're looking at credit card offers, look at what they're offering you. Don't just apply for a credit card all willy nilly. You want to apply for a credit card that gives you something, right? A credit card that has a 0% interest rate for the first few months. That way, if you get 0% and you swipe the card, you got free money as
Mm,
long as you pay it back before that 0% introductory period is over. You don't pay any interest, and
mm,
most people they frown upon that. They frown upon the idea of paying interest to credit card companies. I'm not, I don't really care so much about interest
yeah.
because interest doesn't matter when you're really using it to make more money. So
Mm,
I think sometimes we have a hard time with adopting a new mindset around credit because as a consumer, I understand why interest is not, a good deal. But as a business owner, it's completely different. You're using it to make more money. So as long as you outpace the interest, that's all that matters. But that's another conversation for another day. But overall, you want to get something that has very minimal fees, 0% rates, and can, give you some good offers. What did you have it? Rewards points,
yeah.
travel points. And we're going to talk about that in another session too, y'all, because I love that. I love the cash back. Cash
Yeah.
back is essentially another source of income when you really think about it. Because if you're swiping your card, right, and you're getting cash back for every single swipe, that's technically another source of income.
Mm,
Or you could think of it as a discount on everything for your business. And so getting a credit card that gives you cash back on everything that you spend or gives you travel points and miles on every dollar that you spend, these are good offers. So take a look at the offers that you're getting and determine, is this worth putting in my wallet? Other than getting, a new line of credit, getting a new line of credit is great, but what is it really offering you? And I
mm.
think, anything that's worth putting in my wallet, I look at interest rate, I look at annual fees, I look at, everything considered, rewards, cash back, and everything. So I say start there. And I think that'll really help you navigate that more clearly.
Hey guys, real quick, if you're looking to improve your credit score, qualify for homeownership, get a high limit credit card, or lower your car payment, I can help you, okay? I've helped a lot of people. Even some of these people came from this channel. Some people are local, like these people behind me. Let me show you guys some quick examples. This client, this client, this client, this client, and yes, even this client. I've helped all of them improve their credit scores and accomplish their credit and financial goals. But check this out. Just for you guys watching this on YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a special promo code that you can use to go ahead and take advantage of my advanced credit blueprint. Okay. To get started, all you got to do is just go to the link inside the description below and don't forget to use that promo code. Now, let's get back to the video. Wow. Man, see, again, I don't think people think about those types of things. They just think, like you said, applying for a credit card all willy nilly, hoping they get the approval
Mhm.
and not paying attention to things like annual fees. And then that annual fee bill comes and you like, well, now it's an added
Oh,
expense. And not to say that, because I'm sure there's some credit cards out there that, that you probably would recommend that may have some annual fees, but probably not for people to start off with necessarily. So, but
right.
did you have any particular companies that you would recommend, or one or two or something like that you may want to
US
recommend?
Bank, Chase. I love my Chase Ink cards. I
Mm,
have almost every American Express business credit card. There's so many great cards out here. I
yeah.
would also recommend going to your bank. So if your
Mm,
bank that you bank with currently as a business owner
I like that.
offers business credit cards, start there
Mm.
because you already have a relationship with that bank and they're more likely to say yes on your application because of it.
Wow. That's huge. I
Yeah.
think that's really huge because you know what? People sometimes they get caught up in the name. Like everybody, they feel a certain way when they see American Express and things of that sort. I mean, who don't want to let me go ahead and pull out my Amex, right? But starting with their bank, you hit it right on the head because they're already seeing the income or the revenue. You already have a relationship with them. You have multiple accounts with them. You've been with them for years. That plays a major role for sure. So now
Absolutely.
here's the thing. I know that there are people who want to get more information, who literally they say, okay, listen, I just need to be told exactly what I need to do. I need more than just an entry level business credit score. I need more than just getting the foundation right.
Yeah.
I may need more than 100,000, pretty soon. And
Mhm.
now I'm sure you got something for that. Do you, Jerry?
Yes, of course we do, Calvin. Of course. Over the last 8 years of helping people with building their business credit, I have developed the perfect program to help people with getting this done the right way the first time. We have a lifetime program called our Business Credit Accelerator membership. And the membership comes equipped with our business credit course.
Mm,
It comes equipped with weekly live trainings every single Wednesday. We have a private podcast for our members called Mindset Over Money.
mm,
No, I'm sorry, Mind Over Money. And it's really a place where people can grow, get insight, and get results. We are a results based community, and our
mm,
goal is to help you with getting you from wherever you are right now, from no business credit to getting your first $100,000 or more. Our members, they get approved for business lines of credit, they get approved for SBA loans, they get approved for vendor accounts, vehicles in the business name, equipment financing. They get approved for all type of financing using the instructions that are in our courses and in our live trainings where we do a lot of accountability and coaching there as well. And so, yes, the Business Credit Accelerator program is definitely best for somebody that just kind of wants to get off the sideline and wants to get into action. Somebody that wants the right steps to get business credit for their business. We have an entire list of places for you to go to get business credit. So that way, it's more of a plug and play your way to getting business credit kind of deal
mm,
so that you don't have to guess about where to go, how to get approved, what to do. All of that is already laid out in the course there for you. So it'll help you with separating your personal and your business finances completely. It'll help you with getting the money that you need to exponentially grow your business. It'll get you the support that you need to keep going so that you don't quit and get discouraged. And you'll be able to get all the professional insight at your fingertips for a lifetime. And you can think of us as being your funding partner in your business, people that you can trust, people that you can lock arms with to start getting business credit for your business strictly in your business name. I know you have a link for the course, don't you, Calvin?
I do. So as a matter, I'm glad you brought that up. I'm actually gonna. So you guys should probably see it right down here at the bottom in the description, or maybe at the bottom of the screen, going as we're speaking. And so we'll most definitely make sure you guys get all of the information that you need. And of course, if you got any questions, I'm sure just follow Jerry's process. For that, if you guys have any additional questions in regards to that as well.
Sweet. Looking forward to working with y'all for real. I mean, it's time, right? When you really think
Yeah.
about it, we waste a lot of time in
Yeah.
our businesses chasing resources that we don't have the money to get our hands on. But if you get the money to grow your business, if you got $100,000 for your business right now, like think about all the amazing things you'll be able to do, all the lives you'll be able to impact, the business that you'll be able to grow, the freedom that you'll be able to have. It's mind blowing what you'll be able to accomplish once you get the
Mhm.
resources that you desperately need to grow your business. I'll close it out with this, Calvin. One of the main reasons why I got into this business was because of the numbers. The
Mm,
numbers say that 92% of businesses fail in
mm.
the first 5 years.
Yep.
92% of businesses fail in the first 5 years. But not only that, 87% of those people started off with too little money,
Mm.
which means that if you got some money when you started your business, you'll be more likely to survive because the first 5 years is survival mode. I don't know about you, Calvin. Did you go through survival mode in your business the first year?
Man, listen, it's stuff be happening. Like life be lifing.
Life be life. I know, right? I say that all the time. Life be life.
Man.
It does. You never know what's going to happen. And so having a cushion, a safety net, if you will, to get, whatever you need to grow your business is going to be a game changer for your business. I actually almost went out of
Absolutely.
business once
Mm,
because I had some clients that I took out in Georgia that hired us to help them with their credit. And all six of them, after getting everything done,
mm,
filed chargebacks with their bank saying that the charges were fraudulent. So I got all this money taken out of my business bank account.
mm,
They shut down my merchant account so I couldn't
mm.
take any more payments. And I was living on my credit cards for like 6 months until I can get that sorted out. And I was this close, y'all, to filing bankruptcy because of it.
Yeah.
Good for me, though. I had contracts and I's dotted and T's crossed. But could you imagine if I didn't? I would
Mm.
have been out of thousands of dollars trying to recoup, and Fly Credit probably wouldn't even be here today
Right.
if it wasn't for business credit being a safety net for my business. So
Wow.
don't take this lightly, y'all. Get on board. I'll be more than happy to help you out with getting your business credit and helping you, with getting it all done the right way.
Absolutely. Well, thanks again, Jerry. I
Mm.
greatly appreciate the way you just laid everything down. And guys, listen, uh, of course, take your time, look and see what that business credit course, that the accelerator program, you guys most definitely want to get more information on that for sure. And at minimum, make sure you guys go ahead and follow Jerry because she's always giving like a lot of great tips along the way as you guys are on this business credit journey. So thanks again, Jerry. We greatly appreciate your time today.
Thank you for having me. I'll see y'all soon.
All right. See you soon.
Bye.